Afternoon drama. Row. I think this hive has been bearding a lot. A lot of bees in there. Probably use a little balancing in the yard. Actually, they look okay. It's like there's just as many bees coming as going, and they don't appear to be moving up the box or streaming out. I think they're just hot. So I went ahead and rolled the cover back. Just get some airflow. And there's a dog getting ready to move that triple stack into an 8 situation like these. And in the process, I was going to see if there's queen cells or whatever. Queen cells. And if so, move a queen into one of those breeder boxes. But I may just force a split out of these so I can steal some bees from here to slow these down a little bit, as I'm not ready to buy a third box for these yet, but I may have to, or make one. I've got enough scrap to make one. That's always an option, but then I have to set up my little wood shop, which means then I have to clean up my garage. But sometimes I work best under stress when I'm like forced to. But we don't want these to fly off, that's for sure. So, since they've been hanging out quite a bit, like more so than that, Ned over here has been hanging out the whole time they've been here. That's kind of horribly backlit. See that, and I can't get close enough because I'm not wearing protection, and I'm not gonna mess with it. Well, I'm gonna let the dog bark. Bye.